Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our family channel. I'm Queen of the Zoo family. So today, hopefully, I'll be doing vlog fully in English. As you can see, the weather today is heavy rain, um, a loud thunder, thunderstorm since this morning before 5 a.m. Um, I woke up at I think 5:45 because I set my alarm every morning at 5:45, um, and I switched the TV on, try to get the weather information. And yes, today the amber rain is red, uh, before 5 a.m. this morning, and both kids are don't need to go to school. I got a message from school bus from my second born school bus, and then from the head teacher from my firstborn head teacher uh, told me that today's school is closed, but uh, um, mainly open for the kids who already on their way to go to school, since mostly I wake uh, Navin, my firstborn, to go to school at 6:15 or maybe 6:30. So I turned on the TV this morning at I think 10 minutes past 6 or 10 minutes 15 minutes past 6, and I saw the red amber, means that um, school is closed. So yes, after that around almost 7 I got a message from the head teacher and from the school bus. So now they are still sleeping. um, I got my morning coffee already. So coffee, and I mixed coffee and ginger tea. So I got these two mixed together. So it's jaheku and kapal api grande. So this is not a sponsored video, but I love the combination of these two. So if you want to try, you can try it. So jaheku, it's called jahe madu, and kapal api grande 3-in-1 instant coffee. So I put it in a jar, a bit a bit bigger cup like this, so full of not that hot water, so not boiled water, so about 80 to 90 degrees. So yes, mostly if I only drink coffee, I only put half of the water. So since it's two of them combination, I put like almost full, but not that full. Okay, so my husband is going out. He said he will go to post office to post his census, and I don't know the other letter, but yesterday he actually asked me to do it because today is 28th of June. He gave me check for my monthly allowance. So yes, I supposed to go to bank and then post office after the kids go to school. But since today they don't need to go to school, what time is it? It's almost 8 a.m. now. The rain is still heavy, the thunder is still going on out there. So yes, and today maybe we only stay at home whole day. Maybe we still have, luckily we still have food. We still have soup, and then we have cake, we have um, fruits, and anything else, okay? And hopefully later today, if my husband gives me permission, I can go out to go to the supermarket to get some groceries for tonight. Yes. And what again? Yesterday, we got. Good morning, my son. You don't need to go to school today. Come here. You know why? You don't need to go to school? Yeah. It's the amber rain is. Still remember what the teacher said? If the yellow amber rain, you still
no go to school.
If the amber rain is red or black,
you don't need to go to school.
Yes. So today is red amber. So you don't need to go
to school.
Yay! You don't need to go to school today. And today is 28, and then tomorrow is 29, and then 30, and then first day of July. Hong Kong is public holiday. So on the first day of July, you also don't need to go to school. Yay! My vegetarian's baby. So yes, I said my vegetarian's babies because he don't eat meat. So he only eat fish, only fish, not other seafood like prawn, crab, shell, something like that. No, only fish. So yes, he don't eat veggies. He doesn't like veggies, only fish and soup. So if he wanna eat some veggies, mostly I make some carrot and tomato soup for him. Okay, so yes, that's that for now. And the the vlog from Saturday that I said we are having dinner with my husband's big family. We have dinner with the family because that day is mother-in-law's birthday, 77th birthday. We celebrate together. So only the younger brother's daughter who's not coming for a dinner because the parents said that she's going out with her boyfriend for dinner and I think movie or something. So yes, only one person who's not coming for the dinner. And then big brother, they came with the families, with the going to be a daughter-in-law. And then from my family, me and my husband and both kids, and then my mother-in-law and her sister, big sister, and then third brother with her two wife, I mean his ex-wife and his son, and then his current wife and his son, and then son-in-law, I mean my husband late sister's husband. He's not married until now. It's almost it's 6 years now since her past. And then younger brother-in-law with his wife, and the daughter is not coming because, like I said, she went out with her boyfriend for dinner and movie. Yes. So the dinner is until like almost 10 p.m. because we start the dinner really late, because my mother-in-law playing mahjong from I think 4 p.m. Yes, because I came to the restaurant to bring the cake, the birthday cake that I bought from a Rome bakery um, around 4:30, and they already play mahjong. So yes, I'm going to uh, put up some picture later. The after dinner picture, because since we are talking to each other, so no one is taking picture. So the pictures are only after the dinner, almost when my mother-in-law is start to cut the birthday cake that I bought for her. So yes, only couple pictures. I think yes, 5 or 6, um, just like that. Yeah, mostly is my mother-in-law and my family, since you know late sister-in-law's husband who took the pictures for us. He used his phone to take the pictures for. Oke, so udah rapi, rambut udah disemprot pakai hairspray, udah pakai dress, udah sepatuan. Sekarang waktunya keluar buat beli cake. Terus habis itu nganter si Koko buat les bahasa Cina. Terus balik lagi nanti nyerahin apa namanya, sekalian nyerahin form yang kemarin aku ambil di agent AIA yang apa namanya ngurusin preminya si Dedek. Kebetulan grandma juga punya premi di AIA, terus mau ngurusin soal ganti alamat gitu. Jadi nanti sekalian mau ngasih formnya gitu. Oke, so lanjut nanti waktu kita ketemu sama grandma sama keluarga yang lain. Oke. Yes, my husband is now going out for, I think, breakfast, and he said he will go to post office to post the census letter from the government. And since 25th of June, so 25th is like Friday, right? Since last Friday, the government of Hong Kong closed all flight from Indonesia. Means that um, we cannot go back to Indonesia for the kids' summer holiday this year. Also, since last night we are also not because of the pandemic. Last year we are also not go back to Semarang. So since last Friday, the government of Hong Kong also closed all the flight from Indonesia. We actually planning to go back for 2 or 3 weeks, since Hong Kong government also lose the what is that called, quarantine from 3 weeks to 2 weeks. And then since last week, I think the government only said that the quarantine is only a week for the traveler who coming to Hong Kong, but they closed all the flight from Indonesia because of the A1 sign. So since in Indonesia cases are rising, so yes, Hong Kong government closed all the flight from Indonesia to Hong Kong. This means that we are not going anywhere again this year. But my husband said he will book a couple days staycation. Hopefully we will try another hotel here in Hong Kong for staycation, since our second born always said that he need to go to staycation. So hopefully the school holiday start from 14 or 15 of July, so they are still have 2 weeks of school. After that they will have summer holiday, school holiday until the end of August. So their new school year is in September. So hopefully everything will be fine, everything will be all right. And you guys also, please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Don't forget to put on your mask when outside. Do not stay in crowded. If you do need to go out for something, please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching for today's video. It's still raining outside. The thunders, as you can hear, still, still going on, the thunder also. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment into our video. Stay safe, everyone.